You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a motorcycle, and that's basically the same thing.
Royal Enfield has launched the 2023 Meteor 350 model in India. Its 350 cubic centimeters custom motorcycle, which arrives with new colors but maintains the same mechanical set and design as the previous model. The 2023 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is based on the brand's new 350 cubic centimeters platform and has several accessories available for customization. From the factory, it comes in three variants: Fireball, Stellar and Supernova. Supernova is the top of the line and is available in red, brown, blue and silver custom. Stellar comes in blue, red, black and pure black custom. Fireball is available in matte green, blue, yellow, red, black custom and white custom. How is the Meteor 350? According to the brand, the 2023 Meteor 350 represents the eternal essence of riding, the spirit of the road. With classic contours and timeless design touches, it is an easy cruiser, ready for the open road and to face the challenges of urban commute just as easily. One of the highlights of the Meteor 350 is the so-called Tripper Navigation Display Unit, a digital panel separate from the main one, where navigation information is displayed, and integration between Google Maps and the Royal Enfield app, which connects to the smartphone via Bluetooth. The main panel features an analog speedometer with digital LCD for all the other information. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 has the 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine with air and oil cooling, with electronic fuel injection and SOHC control system. It is capable of generating up to 20 HP of maximum power at 6,100 RPM and 2.8 kgfm/27 Nm of torque at 4,000 RPM. In addition, it features a 5-speed gearbox, 15-liter fuel tank and 2-channel ABS. The front brake disc is 300 mm with 2 pistons and the rear 270 mm with a single piston. The wheels are 19/17" aluminum alloy, fitted with C80 tires, measuring 100/90/19 at the front and 140/70-17 at the rear. Anyway, the 2023 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is sold in India with the following starting prices: 217,469 Indian rupees, Supernova, 207,333 Indian rupees, Stellar, and 201,253 Indian rupees, Fireball, all ex-showroom Chennai, without Tripper.